In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Now, earlier we had the toss and Eber Prep won and decided to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so at that time on the clock, we begin with Eber Prep. Bible knowledge, what is the name of the 7th book of the Bible?
Judges.
Correct. Bible knowledge, Portsmouth, what is the 7th book of the Bible's New Testament?
Philippians.
Incorrect. First Corinthians. Science, Eber, what is another name given to the young of a frog?
Tadpole.
Correct. Science, Portsmouth, what is another name given to the larval stage of a butterfly?
Chrysalis.
Incorrect. Caterpillar. Local affairs or visual question, Eber, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Alanda Taylor.
Incorrect. Isaac Buchanan, Member of Parliament. Portsmouth, local affairs, a visual question for you. Also, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Crystalline.
Member of Parliament, that's correct. Eber, English language, what is the meaning of the prefix mini as used in minimum?
Small.
Correct. English language, Portsmouth, what is the meaning of the prefix deca as used in decagon?
10.
That's right. Television, a visual question for you, Eber. Look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
Cyborg 009.
Incorrect. Deathstroke from Teen Titans. Television, a visual question, Portsmouth. Look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
Blackfire.
From Teen Titans. That's correct. Eber, general knowledge. Ford's Burnham is a former president of which Caribbean country?
Grenada.
Incorrect. Guyana. General knowledge, Portsmouth. Eugenia Charles is a former prime minister of which Caribbean country?
Trinidad and Tobago.
Incorrect. Dominica, social studies, Eber. What is the name of the ring of intense thunderstorms surrounding the eye of a hurricane, containing the strongest winds and heaviest rain?
Eye wall.
That's right. Social studies, Portsmouth. What is the name for a directive for people in a designated risk area to move to a safer location as a hurricane approaches?
Evacuation.
Or evacuation order, that's correct. Eber, music, what is another name for a whole note?
Semiquaver.
Incorrect. Semi-breve. Portsmouth, music, what is another name for a half note?
Minimum.
Incorrect. Minim. Mathematics, Eber, what is the value of x if 11x minus 25 equals 19?
Oh, 44.
Incorrect.
Oh, wait, no.
4. Mathematics, Portsmouth, what is the value of n if 12n minus 80 equals 16?
8.
That's right. Sports, a visual question. Eber, look at the monitor and identify this sports icon.
Say something. Shakira
Davis.
Incorrect. Veronica Campbell-Brown, Olympian. Portsmouth, sports, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this sports icon.
Jimmy Burner.
Incorrect. Donald Quarry. Eber, and we don't have time for that or any more questions. That is the end of section 1, and the scores are Eber Prep on 4 and Portsmouth Primary on 5. Now, before we head to a quick break, here's a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Pack your school bag and gear the night before to avoid morning stress. And you don't want that stress at all, so take heed to that valuable tip from Guardian Achiever. Please stay with us. Season 22 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.